Okay, Facebook Live world, it's day 4, and I'm not comfortable with this yet, but it's getting a little bit easier and a little bit easier. Thank you guys for sending me love, support, prayers, all of that. The first day we talked about gut health, we talked about mindset. The second day we talked about stress, and the third day we talked about perspective. So today I'm actually going to give you a health tip, and one of the health tips I'm going to give you, several of you ask, what do I have in my own kitchen, my own pantry? What are my go-tos? I don't buy a whole lot of food, but something that I have all the time, every day in my kitchen are lemons. So today we're going to talk about lemons. As you can see behind me, I have an actual lemon tree. So I figured that lemon would be appropriate, an appropriate subject. So I arrived in San Diego late last night. Thank you for everybody that was praying for me. It took Judine and I, with the baby, were in the Austin airport for 13 hours, and though it was long and though it was tiring, we're not sad about it. We did arrive here safely, so thank you for your thoughts and prayers. And so, anyways, lemons. Couple of benefits about lemons. I'm gonna pull one actually. Can I pick this one? So, it's not ripe yet, but I at least want to hold something. So, I'm gonna give you some benefits. I'm gonna give you some tips on using it, and some tips on storing it and things like that. So first of all, it's alkalinizing. Even though it's an acidic fruit, it's alkalinizing to the body. For those of you that don't know what that means, acidic. If your body is acidic, then it is easier for disease to grow. So the less acidic that your body is, the harder it is for disease to actually grow. And acidity is like the breeding environment for disease. So you want to try and eat non-acidic foods. Acidic foods would be like pizza, hamburgers, soda, things like that. So what lemon does when you actually internally take it in, it is alkalinizing for your body, which brings down the acidity. So it's really, really great to keep an alkalinized body. Also, it is vitamin C, so it has high vitamin C. Vitamin C boosts your immune system. Vitamin C is used for a lot of things. I'll go through what vitamin C does individually as I go down my list. Also, the liver loves lemons. It is a liver detoxifier, and so one of the things that the liver does is it processes all the toxins that are coming in to your body. And if the toxins cannot be unloaded from the liver, because it is one of your filtering organs, then you have a problem. You may have autoimmune conditions, you may have liver disease, things like that, and it'll start to show out in lots of different ways. So it is a liver detoxifier, and along with that, it also helps to move your bowels. So if your liver, one of the functions that your liver does is it takes the toxins, it binds it to the bile, it dumps it into your large intestine, which is also your colon, and you know, where all your waste is stored, and then of course it passes out of you. If the toxins are not coming out of your liver, that's a problem. If the toxins are coming out of your liver because your liver's doing the job it's supposed to, but your large intestines, your bowels, are not being moved, then you have another problem, because all of that waste stays in you and those toxins just sit and are just still in your body. So you want to make sure you're having a bowel movement, and we'll talk on another day that poop does matter. But for right now, just know that lemons do help to move your bowels. Another thing is, let's see, I need notes. I actually do have notes, and let me see, yes, there. Look at my notes. I wanted to make sure I didn't forget anything. Let's see. It helps with your digestive system, so it helps with the breaking down of your food. It strengthens your blood vessels, and with strengthened blood vessels, you're going to help your blood pressure. You're going to help you reduce the risk of stroke. It also helps for for your body to produce collagen. Your body naturally produces collagen, but it is vital that it has vitamin C to help with that. Why does that matter to you? Because if you want nice skin, no wrinkles, you need the collagen. So if you want pretty skin, make sure you're getting in your vitamin C. It helps with your breathing. So if you have breathing issues, then you definitely want to make sure you're intaking lemons and vitamin C. Another thing, hold on, give me a second here, because I have my notes. I'm not a professional at this, okay? So, just being real. Okay, it helps to boost energy. It helps with cell energy. It increases iron absorption. So for me, I personally use it as my salad dressing. People want to know what I eat salad all the time, almost on a daily basis. And the only thing I dress my salad with is lemon. So usually people will see me carrying a lemon. Yes, even when I go into a restaurant, I pull a lemon out of my bag. Or I ask the restaurant for lemon wedges, and I use it as my salad dressing. So if it helps iron absorption and you're eating a spinach salad, it's really great if you have a lemon lemon dressing. Can I just say that my brother-in-law Jerome is being my cameraman, and he's making faces, and Jerome, stop it. I need my notes. Okay. Too bad I can't edit this, man. Okay, it's also a good source of potassium, magnesium, and copper. So all of that's good for your heart. It has antibacterial properties. So if you're done using your lemon, let's say I use half a lemon for my salad. So when I'm done using my half a lemon, you could use it to clean your counters. You could put it down your disposal and run the disposal, and it'll help to make it smell good. So a couple of ways that you can intake lemon other than putting it on your salad. In the morning, you can, first thing you can do is make lemon water. And if you do room temperature water or warm water, it's gonna give you better benefits. So I would say first thing in the morning, and I have my routine, right when I wake up, the first thing I do is go and get a glass of water, and I always drink room temperature water because I don't want my body really to work hard on using energy to get any of my drinks down to body temperature. So put some lemon in your water and drink. I would say don't drink or eat anything after that for at least 30 minutes and let it just kind of sit in your system. Let's see. If you want to keep it longer, like if you have a bag of lemons, I personally put it in the refrigerator, but if you like to keep it at room temperature, it would stay better if you put it in a sealed plastic bag. So I personally would put it in a sealed plastic bag and in the refrigerator. Let's see. Talking about salad dressing. Oh, another thing you could do, if you don't have time each morning to cut lemon and squeeze lemon into your water, Jerome, knock it off.
My arms are tired.
Then if you just take one day and squeeze all your lemon juice out of, let's say, a bag of lemons, put it in an ice tray, and if you put it in the freezer, then when you wake up in the morning, all you have to do is take your water, take out your ice tray, and drop your lemon ice in there, and then you have lemon water. Also, if you want to get more juice, roll it on the counter, and it will help to loosen up the juice, and I think you can get more juice from that.
Where's the dog?
Upstairs. As for where are lemons in the United States, California and Arizona, I didn't know this, and I actually found that out. 95% of lemons for the United States are coming from California and Arizona. So I think it's fitting that we're in California and I'm in front of a lemon tree and we're talking about lemons. I was gonna talk about lemons anyways. So I'm gonna close it up with that. You saw my title, When Life Gives You Lemons, Make Lemonade. That's my personal philosophy. And I'm gonna give you a challenge, and I'm gonna say for at least 2 weeks, try waking up in the morning and doing lemon water as the first thing you have, and try cutting out all soda, all sugar, and anything else that you're drinking other than if it's, green tea and of course the coffee. I'll be talking about my coffee on another day, but try doing lemon water as your main drink throughout the day, and come back to this post and tell us how you feel. And please share these videos. I know that it'll be beneficial to anybody that's taking a look at them. I'm not a professional. I'm just sharing my journey, and hopefully this helps. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Things about today. Where is he?
The lemon tree.